Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is the preparation plan for Terraform Certification Exam and what is the syllabus we are going to cover for the examination. So as you see in the screen, first of all, we need to start about learning about the Infrar as a code. That means we need to understand what is Infrar as a code, why we need to use it, as well as difference between public and private cloud in the Infra, as well as Terraform use cases. Coming to section number 2, here we are going to learn about the fundamentals of Terraform. That means what is the purpose of Terraform state file and how to do Terraform settings, managing Terraform version, we can call them as version constraints, even about providers, plugins, even locking and configuration, and even dependency log file. It is a section number 2. Coming to section number 3, we need to go up to the flow work of Terraform core here. That means how Terraform core is going to work, as well as how to run Terraform init command, validate, plan, apply, and even some other basic commands like destroy, fmt, and so on. So in the section number 4, we are going to learn about state commands, as well as we need to know about how to use the import. That means already existing infra, how we are going to input. Next, debugging Terraform, and finally Terraform troubleshooting. Step number 5, we are going for the most important section of the course and in the real-time point of view, that is modules. We need to understand from where we can get the modules, how to enable versioning, inputs, outputs, as well as variable format, and even how to call the child module to parent module. Next one, we need to know about the blocks actually. Like there are different type of blocks. So including we are having resources like addressing, referencing the variables, data sources. And here we are going to learn about the resource addressing as well as referencing the named values, data sources, and even how to get the graphs, how to get the built-in functions, how to create the dynamic expression, and there are some other blocks as well. So next one, we need to go for state locking, which is very important for examination, and we need to know about how to put the input variables, how to go for sensitive information, how to check the drift between a resource and Terraform state file, and finally how to manage Terraform state file safe and securely. The last section is going to be HCP, that is called as HashiCorp Cloud Platform, where we are going to learn how to implement HashiCorp in the cloud itself. So this is the complete structure of the course, what exactly we are going to learn and what exactly we are going to prepare for examination as well. Thank you all.